Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your smartwatch using the FitPro app. First, you'll need to download the FitPro application from your phone's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once downloaded, ensure your smartwatch has at least 50% battery life. This prevents any interruptions during the setup process. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone, as this is essential for the connection. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth pairing experience. Now that your phone and watch are ready, open the FitPro app. Look for the Set or Device tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Within this section, you'll find an option like Bind Device to experience more features. Tap on this, and your phone will begin searching for nearby smartwatches. Once your specific smartwatch appears in the list, simply tap on its name to initiate the pairing process. This step links your devices. After selecting your device, you'll receive a pairing request on both your smartphone and your smartwatch. It's important to confirm this request on both screens to proceed. Next, the app will prompt you to grant various permissions, such as access to notifications, contacts, and health data. Please accept these to ensure full functionality. Finally, give your devices a few moments, typically around 30 seconds, to fully synchronize and establish a stable connection. You'll see a confirmation in the app. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. A common fix is to simply restart both your smartphone and your smartwatch. Also, double-check that the FitPro app has been granted all necessary permissions on your phone, especially for notifications and location services. For the most stable connection, always keep your smartwatch within a close proximity, ideally within a 10-meter range of your smartphone. Following these tips will help maintain a reliable and consistent connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.